Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Threads account permanently. So if you want to permanently delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account, follow these steps. So open Threads app and sign in. Next, tap your profile in the bottom right. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Next, go to Account Center at the very top. So once you're on Account Center, go to the bottom and select Manage Accounts. Select your Threads account and click Manage beside it. Next, once you're here, select deactivation or deletion. Now, from these two options, select delete account. So, deleting your account is permanent. So, your profile, your posts, replies, likes, etc., will be deleted permanently. So, select that and click continue. Click continue again. Select a reason why you want to delete your Threads account. Click continue. Click continue again. Scroll down so you can export your information before you delete your account. Just click export info, then click continue. Next, enter your password. Click continue. Next, select delete account. So you won't be visible on Threads between now and then. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging back in. And that's basically it. So once you click delete, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you don't want to lose your account permanently, you can choose deactivate profile instead, which temporarily hides your Threads profile until you sign back in. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.